In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a transparent background for a picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's open a PowerPoint presentation. Suppose you need to make the background of this picture transparent. In the title bar, go to Picture Format. In the menu bar, click on Color. In the drop-down menu, click on Set Transparent Color. After selecting it, a pen icon should appear with your cursor. Now select the color that you want to be transparent. In my case, I will just select the background of the icon. Remember that when you use this trick, the background has to be in one single color format, otherwise it will not work. Here you can see that our background is now transparent.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.